Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. Has this ever happened to you? You're out flying your drone and all of a sudden, out of nowhere, a manned aircraft appears. Yikes. What are you going to do? Fortunately, this has never happened to me. However, I have heard it has happened to other drone pilots, so it could happen to any of us at any time. First and foremost, keep your cool. Yes, you have to act quickly, no question about that, but try to do so in a controlled manner. You don't want to make things any worse than they already are. And actually, the best way to keep your cool is to anticipate this kind of risk, whether it be a seaplane or a helicopter or a crop duster, whatever kind of aircraft could be near your drone, depending on where you're flying. So anticipate the risk and respond in a practiced way that allows you to take evasive action smoothly, quickly, and in a controlled manner. Of course, you have to get the drone out of the way of the manned aircraft. You can see the manned aircraft, they probably can't see your drone, or if they do, probably not in enough time to get out of the way. And legally, manned aircraft have the right of way over your drone under any circumstance. The best way to get out of the way depends on the scenario. Generally, landing your drone quickly and safely is the best maneuver. But sometimes that's not necessarily the best move. For example, if the manned aircraft is landing or flying really, really low and your drone is already quite high, say 60, 70, 80 meters, you may just want to stay where you are until the aircraft gets out of the way and then land. And again, depending on your situation, it may make more sense to actually zoom your drone upwards. Remember, many drones actually ascend faster than they descend. So it depends on the situation and your drone. Now, speaking of descending, if you have no other choice and you can't get out of the way, I would strongly recommend you ditch your drone immediately. Do the crossed sticks, shut off the engines, and it'll drop like a stone. No matter what your evasive maneuver is, remember it is your job to get out of the way of the manned aircraft, not the other way around. And when you do so, call it quits for the day. Your body is going to be jammed full of adrenaline. You'll have the jitters, and you probably won't be able to concentrate properly. Next time you're out droning, take a moment to practice some of these evasive maneuvers. Well, maybe not the crossed sticks, that's a little drastic, but at least be aware that that's your final option, if you like. Well, there we have it. What to do if you encounter a manned aircraft while you're flying your drone. If you found this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up down below. And maybe you have some tips of your own to pass along. I'd love to hear them. Put them in the comments down below. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel and ring that bell for notifications of every one of my videos. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for... Speaking of bells, who's this now? Ooh. Don here. Yep. Oh, hi, Ed. Just hold on one second. I'm recording a video. Let me just turn that off. There we go. Didn't want to be recording this call. What can I do for you? Oh, really? How many? Just the one? Well, I can deal with that. Yeah, in fact, I'm right over the entrance right now. Yeah. Yeah, just give me a moment. Okay. I'll ring you back when I've dealt with it. Sure. Okay. Bye-bye.